and welcome to this sewing tutorial video where I will show you how to sew jogger pants for kids aged 1 to 12 using our own sewing pattern, which is available for purchase in our Etsy shop. This sewing pattern includes simple and easy to follow PDF and video instructions. In this video, I will take you through each step of the sewing process, from printing and assembling the pattern, to cutting the fabric, preparing and sewing the pieces, and finishing the pants. Step 1. Print and assemble the PDF pattern. The multi-layered PDF pattern we're using for this pattern includes all sizes from 1 to 12, making it a convenient choice for parents who want to sew for all of their children. Download and save the PDF file to your computer. Open the pattern file using Adobe Reader. Use the size chart and measurement guide in the instruction PDF file to determine which size you need to print. You can also find the link to measurement chart in the video description. Print the pattern in actual size. Match the assembly guides and glue the pages together to assemble the pattern. Cut out the pattern pieces and you are ready to start sewing. For more detailed instructions on pattern assembly, please check out our other video titled How to Print and Assemble PDF Sewing Pattern, which you can find in the video description. In the video, you'll learn how to properly print and assemble the pattern pages, ensuring that the sizing is accurate and that all pieces fit together seamlessly. By following along with the video, you can save time and avoid frustration that can come from trying to piece together a pattern on your own. You can check the pattern assembly video link in the description. Step 2. Cutting the fabric. For this sewing pattern, I recommend using light to medium weight fabrics that possess a minimum of 20% stretch, such as French terry, sweatshirt fleece, and jersey. It is also recommended to use ridge knit fabric for the cuffs. To measure the stretch of your fabric, you can use the fabric stretch measurement tool that comes with the downloaded PDF pattern, or you can download the stretch measurement tool using the link provided in the video description below. To avoid shrinkage after sewing, it is recommended to pre-wash and dry your fabric prior to cutting and sewing. Pattern pieces have a 1 cm or 3/8 inch seam allowance included. Step 3. Prepare and sew. Now it's time to prepare and sew the pieces. Sew all the seam lines with a 1 cm or 3/8 inch seam allowance. To complete the pants, align the right sides of the two leg pieces and pin them together at the crotch and inseam edges, ensuring that they are mirror images of each other. To create the waistband and cuffs, fold them in half lengthwise and align the short ends together. Pin them in place to form a loop shape. Cut a length of elastic that is about the same length as the waist measurement. Overlap the two ends by about 1 inch, and sew them together securely using a zigzag stitch. You can also use the elastic length chart in the instruction PDF to cut the elastic. Sew the pinned edge of the waistband. To create a waistband casing for the elastic, fold the waistband in half with the wrong sides facing each other. Then, insert the elastic into the middle of the casing. Be sure not to sew on the elastic as you sew along the edge of the elastic to close the casing. Stitch together the pinned edges of the inseam and crotch to join the two leg pieces. Sew the pinned edges of the cuff. Finish all the seams using a serger or zigzag stitch. To attach the cuff to the leg of the pants, fold the cuff in half with the wrong sides facing each other. Then, slide the cuff inside the leg with the right sides facing each other. Keep in mind that the cuff is slightly smaller than the leg edge, so use some stretching techniques only on the cuff to match its diameter with the leg diameter while sewing. Line up the raw edge of the waistband with the raw edge of the top of the pants. Stretch the elastic as you sew along the edge of the waistband. To prevent the elastic from moving around inside the waistband, you can top stitch directly onto the elastic portion of the waistband. This will not only hold the elastic in place, but also provide a clean and polished look. Finish all the seams using a serger or zigzag stitch. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. Let me know in the comments which PDF patterns you want to try. You can also visit our Etsy shop for more sewing patterns. The link is in the video description. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be interested in sewing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!